Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. In today's Filmora video editing tutorial, we're going to create a cinematic text intro that looks stylish and professional. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for more creative editing tips. Step 1. Add and customize text. Go to the Titles tab and add a simple title to your timeline. Adjust the duration as per your requirement. Now, change the text. Select a bold font and increase the size so it stands out. Step 2. Apply text animation. Next, head over to the Animation tab. Select the Typewriter animation for a cinematic feel. Now, go to the Advanced Text options and increase the animation duration to make it look smoother. At this point, your animated text is ready. Export the video. Step 3. Blend text animation with background. Remove the text and import the exported text animation video. Now, add a background video to the timeline. Place the text animation video above the background and align their duration. Select the text video. Change the blend mode to multiply. Then reduce the opacity to around 75%. You can also try different values for creative results. Try different variations. You can replace the background video with different clips to achieve unique cinematic looks. Experiment with styles until you're happy. Now let's add something extra. Use the first video background again. Move the playhead to the point where the text animation ends. Add a keyframe for opacity. Then, move the playhead forward to the end of the text animation and set the opacity to 0. This creates a clean fade-out transition, making your cinematic intro even more professional. And that's it. You've successfully created a cinematic text intro in Filmora. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing Filmora tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.